Hello everyone. I will show you how to deposit on BingX Exchange. So, first open BingX Exchange. Then you will see the assets section below. Click on the assets option. Then click on the deposit section. Then select the coin you will deposit. I will deposit USDT. So I am selecting USDT. Then choose the network on which you will deposit. So I will deposit on the BNB Smart Chain BEP20 network. Then you will see the address here. To copy this address. Then from the exchange, you will deposit into BingX Exchange. Open that exchange or wallet. So I will open the Binance Exchange. After opening the Binance Exchange, click on the asset section below. Then click on send here. Then click on the chain window. Then select the coin that you will deposit into BingX Exchange. So I will deposit USDT. Therefore, I will select USDT. Then click on send via crypto network. Then paste the address you copied on BingX here. After that, click on network here. After that, select the network on which you clicked for deposit there. So I selected BNB Smart Chain. Then enter the amount here for how much you deposit into BingX Exchange. So I'm entering 100 here as an example. Then you click on withdraw below. After that, enter your OTP security and confirm. So within a short time, your deposit will be in BingX Exchange. This is a very simple process to deposit in BingX Exchange. If you find the video helpful, you can subscribe to the channel to receive such content.